Right then, getting the best cars every day, and another fantastic, literally not another one available in the UK, Defender. Now Borasco grey, brand new colour for the car, 26 model year, new model year for the car. This is an awesome vehicle with 400 delivery miles on a 75 plate. It's a D250 3-litre diesel S with that really great road presence, exterior body styling, full Land Rover black pack seen in the badge in the midsection, the bottom section. But then we've got the lower canards, we've got the LED light inserts, we've got the wing inserts, the bonnet inserts, the arch extensions, the 22-inch wheels, the steps, the mud flaps, the light pod. This is a great vehicle, it really is. 26 model year car, so that is the facelift. It's got new lights front and rear. It's then got the new interior with that massive 13.1-inch touchscreen. We've got cold climate package with heated wheel. We've got off-road package. Now, that might not mean anything to you, but it's a nice feature to have. It means it's more capable off-road, this particular car. So it's got electronic differential with off-road torque vectoring, so it will perform better off-road. Stunning car. Now the S model giving you leather interior, Meridian Sound, sliding roof in this car, and an all-round awesome looking Defender. The colour, if we look, I don't know if you can see this under our showroom lights, Borasco grey, which is a metallic colour, but looks so cool. And at the rear, this is really important. So now we've got these new style flat LED lights, spare wheel cover in black, Defender badging, rear section in black, lots of space in the boot, hard wearing floor, hard wearing seat back. So, you know, it is a great four-wheel drive to use, whether you've got kids and push chairs or whatever you're going to put in that boot. We've also got a domestic plug socket here, 3-pin, that's an option. This car is a 75, it's in a complete new order. So if you want to buy it over the phone, boot spoiler as well, roof rails, these are all options, keyless entry. If you want to buy it over the phone, it really is a simple thing. Give me a call, get it secured. You can come and pick it up straight away. But check out this. So around the front end, so you'll see we've got new style inlets into the wings here. That's the new models. We've got the arch extensions. Lower, these are called canards, so just beef up the front end slightly, especially with them bonnet inserts. It's got a really good look about it. If we come back around this way and look at the wheels, now, urban style wheels, lovely design in gloss black. Everything is in a perfect condition on this car. And then inside, you need the step to get in it, as you'll see. And then if you look into the door, black door cards, new door cards for the car with the Meridian Sound system. Cold climate package in this car giving you heated wheel, heated washer jets, heated front seats. Of course, a big feature in this is the sliding sunroof. Then look at this. 13.1-inch touchscreen in the 26 model year vehicle, so same size as the Range Rover and the Range Rover Sport, making it much more functional. It's got weight sensing, which you do not get as standard in one of these cars, it's an option. Heated front seats, heated front and rear screens. We've got wireless phone charging under the armrest there. This new model gives you a little hideaway hole and a new center console through the car. Keyless entry, keyless start, it's lovely. 415 miles on this, 75 plate. And there isn't another one for sale like this, there isn't. So if you're looking for the best Defender in the market for the money, this is it. Give me a call, get it bought. Thanks for watching.